The basis of the belief that celestial objects can affect human life on Earth lies in the understanding that everything in the universe is interconnected. Vedic scholars intuitively understood this and studied everything very closely to discover the connection between microcosm and macrocosm. Their study became the source of Jyotish Shastra or Vedic astrology. The main question in astrology is, how can celestial objects, far, far away, affect our life on Earth? And we are going to study this by understanding two main topics. 1. The connection between human life and the planets in the sky. 2. The real meaning of the word Graha. In ancient India, the Vedic scholars believed that everything in the universe is interconnected. Now the question before them was, how? Their quest led them to the discovery that the sun has a significant impact on life on Earth in multiple ways. The sun is the primary source of light and heat for our planet, and without it, there would be no life as we know it. The sun's heat also drives the weather patterns on Earth, which in turn affects the growth of crops and other plants. The sun's position in relation to the Earth is responsible for the changing seasons. Every living thing, including humans, has internal biological clocks that are regulated by its light-dark cycle. Similarly, they discovered that the moon also has a significant impact on life on Earth. Its gravitational pull causes tides, which play an important role in oceanic ecosystems and coastal environments. The moon's phases and position in relation to the Earth are also believed to influence plant growth, animal behavior, and human emotions. The position of the moon and its position and phase at the time of a person's birth are believed to have a significant impact on their personality and life path. Continued study of celestial objects and their impact on human life led them to various discoveries about other grahas that have the maximum effect on human life. A group of 9 such graha are now classified in Vedic astrology as Navgrahas. The term graha comes from the Sanskrit language and it means seizing or grasping. In Vedic astrology, grahas are considered to be celestial entities that have a strong influence on human life. These grahas are believed to have the power to seize or grasp different aspects of human life, such as personality, health, wealth, relationships, and more. It is interesting to note that the words grahan, grahak, and anugrah come from the same root sound, which also forms the verb grahanati in Sanskrit. This means to grab or to take hold of. The etymological definition of it is grih upadne, which means the sound grih is used in the context of taking something. That is why the word grahak is used in the context of a customer or a consumer, the one who takes. If we look closely, everything is a consumer of something, and everything is being consumed in some way. The word grahanam denotes the process of taking in. It is used in the contexts of grabbing, seizing, and wielding influence over. Bhojan grahanam is taking in food, pani grahanam is taking one's hand in marriage, and so on. And finally, the word anugrah is used in the context of taking someone close or being favorable and benevolent to someone. You must have observed that the common theme in all these words is from the root sound grih, which means to grab or exert influence over something or someone. It is with this deep understanding that the Navagrahas or the 9 celestial influences were identified. Each graha as mentioned in Vedic astrology has a huge impact on life on Earth. The Navagrahas are verily named because of their influence on us. Elaborate systems of knowledge were created around identifying these influences. Practices and rituals were designed to either pacify these effects or to move beyond them completely, taking life into one's own hands. In the next video, we will try to explore how each planet affects human life here in Earth. If you are interested in exploring your own birth chart or receiving guidance and insights from a professional astrologer, be sure to visit astrosawal.com or download our app. We offer online astrology consultation that can help you gain a deeper understanding of yourself and the world around you. We look forward to helping you find answers to your most important questions in life.